Today I'll be putting LEDs in this truck. It's a Chevy Silverado 1500. This is a 2015, and he has the regular halogen bulbs in there right now, and I'll be putting these in, LEDs one. And he has the one in the third brake light. I put an LED in. Hey Jay, can you press the brake? You can see the LED there, and that's the halogen bulbs, how bright they are. And I'll be putting the LED in. And can you go in reverse? And I put the LEDs for the reverse light in. They're all LED. And I'm about to show you how it looks. And these are the LEDs. You can see it says no air codes and no hyperflash. That's why I got these. They're Switchback series, and I'm going to show them how to do it. And this is how it looks. The right one is the halogen and the left is the LED. Alex, can you press the brake? Can you do left turn signal? And can you do right? Yep. Okay. So basically you gotta remove two Allen key screws. Alright, so once you remove the two black Allen key bolts, this is how they look. Oh, they're like star. You'll have to like just pull and the headlight will shoot pop out. Like you have to wiggle it in and out, it should pop out like that. Just be careful, don't break those tabs. And now you have to remove this top one and the bottom one. So it's the other way. Yep, spin it the other way. So once you pull, he's gonna pull it out, and that's how the bulb's gonna look. So just let's do one at a time. So I'm gonna remove this bulb. It just pulls out. And this is how it looks. This end is gonna go to the light socket right there. And then this part is just gonna slide in. It's just a rubber boot. It just slides in and that's it. And that's how you do it. You just put it in. That's where we pulled out the light socket. So that just goes in there. Yeah, so once you put that in, you gotta make sure it goes in. You gotta put some pressure in it. And then that bulb will just go in there. And that's it, that's all it is. It's just like a rubber boot that goes over the hole. That's it. Do the same thing for the bottom. Alright, so you can just align the headlight and slide it back in and put those two bolts in. And this is the brand right here. Got this on Amazon. You gotta get two sets. Each set comes with two bulbs, because this takes two bulbs. So each set is about 34 bucks. That's how much it was on Amazon. So you have to get two of them. And I'm about to show you the final product. And this is how they look when they glow. You can see how the LED works. Look at that. That's how it looks. Alright Jay, you wanna do emergency? It's really bright. They're lighting up the whole house. Yep. Can you do just brake? Yes, really bright. Really bright. And that's it. That's the video.